Hey, this is Phil from Next Chapter Team. Welcome to another article review. This article is going to focus on 3 tips that wealthy clients of financial advisors are doing consistently. So we're getting tips from super wealthy individuals on what we, everyday people, can be doing to build wealth. Before we jump into it, please take a moment to like, subscribe, and share. Help the channel grow. Now, sit back, relax, and enjoy another article review from the Next Chapter Team. Okay, so overall, I want to start with the source. The source of this information is a panel of financial advisors from a couple wealth management firms that accumulated over 20 plus years of experience from all these firms, and talking about what are some of the common traits of their wealthiest clients, the ones who are consistently building wealth time over time. The first tip that they're seeing consistently is their clients are consistent savers. They're aggressive about saving. They're going above the 15%. In fact, what they're consistently doing is they're saving 25% or higher of their gross income. So that's their pre-tax money. They're doing that pre-tax 25% or higher. Now, obviously, they've grown to the point where they can do this comfortably. But everyone could work towards 10 and 15%. And then from there, after they've paid off a lot of debts, if they want to, they can go above that 15. You guys can do this too. You don't have to be making some major money to do this. You just have to have some major discipline and have major control of your spending to do this. And over the long term, doing actions like this can really help build up your financial situation. The next thing that was consistent across so many of these individuals who are building some major money was making sure they had steps in place to protect their wealth. Things like health insurance, long-term care insurance, because they built it up and they didn't want in their senior years to it being completely killed by long-term care expenses. Disability insurance, life insurance, and then things like good car insurance, good business insurance. And for these people who own landlords, they definitely had good lawyers and good leases in place to help protect their overall financial situation. So you got to step back and protect the situation. Saving big and then protecting big. That combo, that good defense, will help you have some major results over time. The final thing is, when they needed to, so many of their customers assembled a good team of individuals to work with that helped them along the way. So that includes, and this is specific to each person and situation, right? Attorneys, tax experts. I say this all the time to people. Hits a point where you have so much income or so much rental property or so many things going on, you may need some tax advice. You can't just be self-directed the whole time just because you've matured to that point. It's kind of a good problem, right? Insurance professionals, and then financial planners or advisors, depending on what you need to have. So again, this panel of individuals will help you along the way once you get there. You'll know it when you get there. When you start to sit there and say to yourself, boy, this is getting really tricky, and I need to get some experts in my corner. You'll know when you get there. I hope you found these 3 tips very helpful. Some of these everyday people can be doing. That insurance one and saving up over time is really big and major. Hope you enjoyed the article review. More to come. Now, a quick recap of the 3 things that the wealthy are doing. These are people who are building up 1 million and even more, multi-millionaires. Number 1, they're aggressive about saving. They went beyond the 10 and 15%, and they moved up to 25% or more of their gross income. So that's before tax. They are super aggressive about saving. Number 2, they're equally as aggressive about protecting their wealth. That means having things in place like good health insurance, long-term care insurance, disability, and life insurance. These things are great ways to help protect your wealth along your way. Just want to call out that life insurance part. Let's talk about this real quick. Basic term life insurance, that usually is very cheap, but in addition to that, that is non-taxable to the beneficiaries. It's a little known fact. People forget that. Next up, they have a team of experts to help them along the way. That could be attorneys, tax experts, insurance professionals. They'll help you with those insurance issues, and or a financial advisor or a financial planner. They will help them fine-tune their overall financial situation. Again, 3 solid tips, easy to understand, and things that you could step into. You don't have to do this all at once. You step into these things. Grow that income. Save aggressively. Put some things in place to protect that wealth. And then finally, as you're starting to really get mature, start assembling your team of experts to help you. Hope you enjoyed the article review. So many more to come. Hey, thanks for staying to the end. This video is brought to you by the Next Chapter Team. If you enjoyed the video, please take a moment to hit that like button, drop a comment, subscribe, share with your friends and family. This will help the channel reach out to more individuals just like you. We offer one-on-one coaching where we work with people and small businesses to determine a clear path to achieving their financial goals. This includes things like budgeting to reduce debts, planning for big purchases, and even learning how to build wealth with the tools that you have readily available to you. So please see our link below to schedule a free 30-minute call with our team to talk through coaching and understanding your current financial situation. Also, check out some of our affiliate links below for our high yield savings account. This is a great place to put your money when you're saving up for those big purchases and your emergency fund. Check out some of our videos right here. And please enjoy and see you in the next video.